Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make liminal space map in AlphaVR. Like this is the example I made. So you go out the window, async, the backup company, goes well building and send. I'm gonna teach you how to make a type like this. So here I am. So what you have to do is you want to make something liminal, like the backroom's dream core or even weird core if you want. And the thing is, people make a mistake of this, make it liminal. Why I mean make it like confusing and feel a little bit off. Like add autophobia to it, like something like that or something. And also make it so there's nothing like the real world like this. So if you're making it, then when you're done making it, the thing is that keep it like it's not the real world. Like make sure it's not like this or like this. And what's this button do? It's just new cosmetics, I think. Okay, let's not get too distracted, but I do not know what that button does. Okay, next you need to know is that use like bricks or use like advanced colors if you want. And also add dead bodies if you want. And make it bloody, but don't make it too bloody because, well, you can get banned. Like, I have ban threats right now for some reason. But, yeah. So, when you play in the game, it feels liminal, scary, not like the real world. And you have autophobia sometimes, which I do have it. But the thing is, people make this mistake. Make sure it's actually confusing and like weird core. Like what if I just saw little Timmy floating in the sky with a red color and just looks like my cheeks? Yeah, that's confusing. And also, I'm sorry for saying that. I thought that would be funny. And also, add like a way to like travel through it, like pressing this button equals like this round pack. And also do this when you're making it. Make sure it's actually like you need to add like weird stuff, like add puzzles and stuff and code. And the thing is, like, people never really add this. Add like cameras, something, and that stuff that's valuable or graphical or something. Yeah, like that. And make sure the monster is there if you want. I'm just saying if you want to make like a backrooms type. You want like a monster or something. And yeah. If you want to see what like a type of window space I made looks like, I said I was joking. So I told you all the reasons how to make a liminal space. Okay, see ya. Let me just